Namaskar. In India, beauty isn't skin deep, it's a reflection of harmony between body, mind, and spirit. And this harmony is rooted in using the simplest and most beautiful things from nature. Today, we are going to see how to make a homemade cream using some simple and beautiful things from nature, which are anti-aging in property. First is a rare Indian flower, Nagkesar, known for its skin brightening and anti-aging property. And second, Palash, flame of the forest. It has been used in Ayurvedic medicines for centuries to promote beautiful skin and reduce wrinkle. Let's see how these flowers work wonders for your skin. Nagkesar is full of flavonoids and antioxidants. Studies have shown that these compounds help in management of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main reasons which develops wrinkles and age spots over time. By neutralizing the free radicals, Nagkesar helps in maintaining firmness and elasticity of skin. Did you know that Nagkesar has a key ingredients in Ayurvedic skincare for over 2000 years? It was often used in royal beauty treatments to give queens and noble women that soft, radiant glow. Now let's look at the next star in our natural cream, that is Palash, or the vibrant flame of the forest. Did you know that Palash is often called as the tears of Agni, the fire god in Hindu mythology? They are said to represent renewal and rebirth, which is exactly what they will do for your skin. This fiery orange flower is full of bioactive compounds like tannins and gallic acid. This bioactive compound helps tightening the skin and reducing inflammation. In fact, modern research supports what Ayurveda has always known. Palash has a significant anti-aging property, helping to firm the skin and smooth fine lines. My grandmother used to say, the secret in beauty is found in the flower of the earth. And she was right. She would make the simple cream with Nagkesar and Palash, blending these flowers with a natural oil and a little saffron. And I saw that her skin was always glowing, always youthful. I used to think that it was some kind of magic, but it was a simple power of nature at work. Can you imagine this beautiful flower blooming in the forest of India, now sitting in the little jar, working wonders on your skin? It's almost like bloating up a nature's magic. So let's learn to make this incredible, all natural anti-aging cream right at home. First, Nagkesar and Palash anti-aging cream. For making the cream, what you need is a handful of dried Nagkesar flower, a small bunch of Palash petal, rose water, a pinch of saffron, almond oil, apricot oil, rose hip oil. To make this, first take a handful of dried Nagkesar flower and small bunch of Palash petals soaked overnight in rose water. The next day, grind the mixture into a smooth paste. Add a pinch of saffron. Add teaspoon of almond oil, apricot oil, and rosehip oil, each for added nourishment. Blend it all together using a wooden spoon till you get a lump-free consistency. Do not blend in the grinder, and that's it. You have got a rich cream. Portion that can work wonders on your skin. Apply gently to your face and neck at night, and let this magical Indian flower work their magic as you sleep. Now here's the best part. This cream isn't just natural, it's full of ingredients that has been scientifically proven to reduce signs of aging. Studies have shown that antioxidants like those found in Nagkesar and Palash can improve skin texture, prevent fine lines, and promote a more youthful complexion. And saffron is a glow booster, helping brightening and rejuvenating your skin from inside out. Don't rely on harsh chemicals and synthetics. These flowers grow in the forest of India. So bring out the best in your skin. Now, with this homemade cream, you are not just nourishing your skin, you are connecting with ancient wisdom passed down through generations. Your skin deserves the best, and with the power of this rare flower, you are giving it exactly. Namaskar.